In this video, we are going to learn about the WhatsApp autoresponder bot by using the bulk WhatsApp Sender software. First, open the bulk WhatsApp Sender software. And next, go to the tools menu. WhatsApp autoresponder bot. This tool is very useful to send the automatic replies. Let us see the process. First, we click on the Start Now button. And next click on the add rule. Here add your required rules. And next here type your keyword to add a rule. For example, hi. And next click on the conditions. Here we see the 4 types of conditions. Exact. Exact means if the keyword sent by the user must match exactly as you given. If does not match the keyword, bot will won't work. And next contains. If user send a message and the keyword contains in that message, then rule is executes. Then message assigned to that rule automatically. And next starts from. If the message starts from the keyword is same, then our message send automatically. Ends with. If the message ends from the keyword is same, then our message send automatically. Mostly we preferred contains. And next click on the add message. Here type your required message. For example, if you want to add an image, video, file, etc. related to that message, click on the add file button. For example, special discount. And next click on the add button. And next click on the save button. Here our first rule is saved. If you want to add another rule, click on the add rule. Here type your keyword to add a rule. For example, pre. And here select your condition. And next click on the add message. Here type your another message. For example, this is my another message. Click on the add button. And next click on the save button. Another rule is also saved. I want to add another rule. And next click on add button. And next click on save button. Next click on the start button. Here Chrome is open automatic. And scan your WhatsApp web by using QR code. For the demo purpose, I can connect another WhatsApp. Let us check the keywords working or not. Hi. This is the output. And my another keyword is tree. And next, third rule is 1. This is the output. By using the autoresponder bot, we can send the automatic replies.